Education is the light that guides us out of poverty, ignorance, and fear. Yet today, many schools in Myanmar stand empty, damaged, or closed. Our children want to learn. They want to read, write, and discover the world. But too often, they are forced to stay home because their schools are unsafe or gone. Education is not just lessons on a blackboard. It is hope. It is protection. When we invest in education, we invest in peace, invest in health. We invest in a future where all children have the chance to succeed. Let us promise our children that their schools will be safe, that their learning will not stop, that their dreams will not be destroyed by conflict, because when we save schools, we save education, we save our nation. For our children, for our future, join us. Volunteer, donate, support your local school. Together, let's give every child in Myanmar the education they deserve.